If you're thinking about buying a home in San Diego, it's important that you understand everything your agent's going to do for you. I mean, as agents, we all go through the same licensing process, but the service that we offer is not the same. Here at Whissel Realty, we believe in going above and beyond and creating a VIP experience when it comes to buying a home. I'm going to hit on a few of these topics here. Number one is our Love It or Leave It program. When you buy a home, if you don't absolutely love that home during that first year for any reason, we will get you out of that home and sell your home for free at no cost to you. We are committed to having you satisfied and loving your home. Second is the home warranty. When you get in this home, we want to make sure there's a home warranty in place. If any issues come up, plumbing leaks, electrical issues, that could cost you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. We want to make sure that you're covered on all these at no cost to you. So we're going to be committed to making sure that a home warranty is in place when you buy your home. Next is the appraisal. We want to offload the appraisal cost to you, which is somewhere between $500 and $1,000. If you work with one of our preferred lenders in this program, we will cover that appraisal at no cost to you. And when it comes time to move in, how about a free moving truck? When you're ready to move into your new home, the truck's there waiting for you. You don't have to worry about going to U-Haul or whatever and figuring that out. We're going to provide you with the moving truck. And if at any time in the future, say you buy a refrigerator, a couch, or grandma's armoire is given to you, you need something to move it, the truck's here for you at no cost. The next aspect is our 24/7 house hunting program. What that means is 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, we are looking for homes for you. All we need from you is what you're looking for. We'll get you dialed in, and if that home or when that home comes on the market, you're going to find out about it right away. What about homes that are not on the market? Sometimes people list their home and they don't want to sign in the yard, they don't want open houses, or maybe they have a life issue and they just want to be private. They want to keep that home off the market. We can look into those homes for you. In addition to that, we have been the #1 sales team in San Diego for the last 7 years. We've sold over 3,000 homes. So nobody is listing homes faster than us. So when it comes time and we're listing a home, and if that home is something that fits your needs, you're going to have early access to that home. Next aspect is our cash buyer program. What that means is in a challenging market, you might be competing against some really intense offers. Maybe they have a higher down payment than you, or maybe they're all cash. We have the ability to turn you into a cash buyer with as little as 5% down. What that means is that now puts you at the top of the list when it comes to presenting the offers. Also keep in mind, we have sold, like I say, we're the #1 sales team. We've sold more homes. We have developed excellent negotiating strategies. So the bottom line, when it comes to buying a home, there are really two factors. Number one, that we get you the home. And number two, that we get you the home at that perfect price with the perfect terms. So if you have any questions on our VIP program, simply call the number below or text it, and someone from our team will be there to answer any questions. Bottom line is, who represents you matters. I'm Tom Lux of Whissel Realty.